My name
Guys,
is
don't worry,
Chantal
I'll
Loro.
play the full
I
video
work
for you.
from
But
Paris,
before they
and I work for
listen
Radio
to
France.
this interviewer, when she interviewed TV Joshua and what TV Joshua responds. Listen, TV Joshua never accepts credit on all God has been using him to do. Rather, he made it clear that what he's doing, that even that lady interviewing him can also do it. But the thing is that everybody carries his own righteousness. But the thing is that how do you go about your own? He go further explain that everybody has the power of God in him and her, but it's you. It depends on you to use your hand and develop your own. Make your sinful nature go out and let the righteousness of God work in your life. So let's watch the video now.
My name is Chantal Loro.
Okay, from where?
I work from Paris,
From Paris.
and I work for Radio France International.
Can I see your ID card?
See this?
Okay. Okay. Are you a presenter there?
Sorry?
Are you a presenter?
Reporter.
Reporter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where?
Where?
This is Radio France International in Paris.
Oh, you are welcome.
Who are you to do such miracles?
Oh, well, I'm a human being just like you.
So why all this organization, video organization?
Because I want the generation yet unborn to see the wonderful thing God is using me for. Because if the wonderful thing God used Jesus was not recorded in the Bible, you will not believe that Jesus is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Mm-hmm. So we read in the Bible that through Jesus, miracle happened, and apostles too, God used them mightily to perform miracles. We read it in the scripture. So if you know you are given unlimited grace, I think you will be very conscious in recording.
Can you explain to me, how did you know you have such a gift?
You know, in a man has two natures in one person, human and divine nature. If you allow the righteousness of God in your life, you can move mountains. Paul said he can do all things through God Almighty. So the same God that enabled Paul to do all things live in every born again. And I believe you are a Christian.
When this church of all nations has it been existing?
Okay, it is the extension of the old, church, synagogue, as it was, so it is. It is predate. This is just continuation. Mm-hmm. I'm not the founder, I'm just overseer. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm not overseer of the church, I'm not the founder.
But can you explain to me your first experience as a healer?
Okay, healing. What is a healing? You are talking to God. God is the healer. I'm just the use.
Can you explain to me when, for the first time, you knew that you could cure someone, and how did it happen?
Oh, yes. You want me to first tell you the first miracle God used me to perform? Yeah. I will tell you that since God is miracle, it's predate. You see, the miracle, you to perform miracle, it is just at the degree you are performing it. For you to wake up, sleep and wake up is miracle. For you to be here today is miracle.
Sure.
You to perform miracle, it's only the miracle you perform. Maybe you say it's very little. You see, depend on the faith you put in action. Since it's by grace, it's not by power, it's not by mind. It is by grace. The Bible says in the book of Titus 3 verse 5, Ephesians 2 verse 8 to 9, it's not the work of righteousness which we have done, but according to his grace we are saved. So it is the grace of God, no matter the camera or whatever, or praises or adoration or name or honor or whatever.
My name is Chantal Loro.
Okay, from where?
I work from Paris.
From Paris.
And I work for Radio France.
So guys, you have finished watching that video. What do you understand on that video? Put it on the comment section. Like and share this video. Let this video go more further. Like, share, and comment your thoughts. I will see you in my next video.